Let us now focus on reviewing the homework. Do you recall the activity we had planned for last week?
Yes, you asked me to go for walks thrice a week. I think it was on a Monday, Wednesday, and a Friday. Um, but I was unable to do the walks.
I'm glad that you recollect the details of what we had planned. Would you like to tell me a little bit about what came in the way?
I wanted to go for the walk, and I knew that I would feel much better if I do it because you had suggested so.
Sure.
Um, but but I just did not do it. I was busy with household work, and then I just didn't go out of the house.
Sure. So it sounds like you wanted to go for the walks, but you became busy with other activities like household work, and that's one thing that might have come in the way. Is that correct?
Yes, there was too much to do in the house, and I didn't even realize that a lot of my time went in that.
So while you could not go for the walks which we had planned, it's actually wonderful to see that you were busy with other activities in the house. How did you feel while doing the household activities?
Actually, it felt pretty good. I liked doing the work that I used to do earlier, and also I enjoyed cooking a meal for the family this time.
That's wonderful. I'm so happy to hear that because the important thing here that we need to remember is that we want you to do more activities that help you feel better. So while we had planned for the walk, what is important is that you did something else that helped you feel better.
Yes, it did make me feel good.
Great. So since it sounds like you're busy with household work, how would you like to plan for the walks in the coming week?
I want to go for the walks. I know that it's going to be very helpful for me, but somehow I'm not able to take out the time for that.
I appreciate your motivation to continue to want to incorporate the walks into your routine. Do you think it might be useful if we plan that you go for a walk maybe just once in the coming week?
Yes, I can do that, but don't you think that I should do it more often?
Sure, it's wonderful that you want to do it more often, but just to take a learning away from the past week, since you did find it difficult to keep up with 3 times a week, I was wondering if we can try with once a week, see how you feel, and if you're able to do that, then we can increase the frequency in the weeks after that. How does that sound to you?
Yes, I understand what you're saying. So I will try to go for a walk at least once this week.
That sounds wonderful. I think that's a reasonable plan, and we will then review next week if you were able to keep up with this plan and how it helped you feel, and then decide on the way forward.
Yes, thank you very much.